have some fun with me. I just got some new wigs and I am so excited to show you them. The color, I mean, check that out. The curls, they're not too tight. This is actually really close to my own hairstyle, but blonde. My favorite for the last, human hair, so everything I had on before was synthetic. But look how it moves. Follow me, I'll show you some more and give you guys good tips on how to help your wigs, toppers look more natural. I want you guys to tell me which ones you like the best. Now let me guess, you've seen the videos of the girls throwing on a hair topper, looking instantly better, and you're skeptical whether this is possible for you. I'm here to set ease and show you how fantastic hair toppers really are. You want to put the front clip on first, 2 to 3 fingers behind the hairline, straight up from my nose. Scoop that down, holding that piece in place, that clip in place. I go to my back, flat on top of my head so it's not bubbled up like this, and secure that down. Then I'm going to do my side that's not on my part next, and then very lastly the side that has my part. We never want this to bubble up, so you want this to be laying nice and flat along with your own hairline. If it ever does bubble up, like it is currently, all you got to do is just go in and adjust those clips so that way it's laying nice and flat around the perimeter. Kind of mess up that part a little bit so that it just lays right with mine. Comb the rest of it with the rest of my hair. Those little tricks really can make it or break how your topper looks. And we're looking good.
Some praise and to the kings I will sing. Well, I love is all I bring to children of Jah. Yes, you got to let the love keep on ringing, but along the ways I will sing. Said Jah, I live on rain as I will tell you. Give on thanks and praise and to the kings I will sing. Well, I love is all I bring to children of Jah. Give thanks and praises unto the King. Yeah, Kings of kings, I said the Lord of lords. Conquering line of the tribe of Judah, I will say. Earth's rightful ruler, you can even not see the same. Jah live and Jah reign. Jah can do it, but I break down the walls of Babylon. Tell you, see only Jah can do it. Mash down the walls